Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of Xiaomi's first electric vehicle, the SU7. This sedan has been making waves in the automotive industry, and we're here to explore every detail, from its exterior and interior design to its performance and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the Xiaomi SU7 boasts a sleek and modern design. The car features clean lines and a futuristic silhouette, complemented by distinctive LED lighting. The front fascia is characterized by a closed grille, sharp headlights, and a prominent Xiaomi logo, giving it a unique yet familiar look. The aerodynamic design is not just for aesthetics. Xiaomi claims the SU7 has a drag coefficient of 0.195, which is among the lowest in the industry. This design not only enhances the vehicle's appearance, but also contributes to its efficiency on the road. Moving inside, the interior of the SU7 reflects Xiaomi's tech-centric approach. The cabin is spacious and modern, featuring a 16.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with 3K resolution. This system is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 chip and runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS, providing a seamless and responsive user experience. The minimalist design is evident, with most controls integrated into the touchscreen, reducing the need for physical buttons. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, giving it a premium feel. However, it's worth noting that the infotainment system is currently only available in Chinese, which might be a limitation for international users. When it comes to performance, the SU7 offers impressive specifications. The base model is equipped with a single permanent magnet synchronous motor that delivers 220 kW of power and 400 Nm of torque. This setup allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 5.28 seconds, with a top speed of 210 km/h. For those seeking more power, the SU7 Max variant features a dual-motor setup, providing a combined output of 495 kW and 838 Nm of torque. This configuration enables the SU7 Max to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in a mere 2.78 seconds and reach a top speed of 265 km/h. In terms of range, the base model offers up to 700 pounds on the CLTC test cycle, while the Pro model extends this to 830 pounds thanks to a larger battery pack. Charging capabilities are also noteworthy. The SU7 supports fast charging, allowing it to gain 220 km of range in just 5 minutes, 390 km in 10 minutes, and 550 km in 15 minutes on a DC fast charger. This makes it highly convenient for long-distance travel, reducing downtime during charging stops. While let's talk about pricing, in China, the base model of the Xiaomi SU7 starts at approximately €2,800, making it a competitively priced option in the electric vehicle market. The SU7 Max, with its enhanced performance and features, comes at a higher price point. As of now, the SU7 is available exclusively in the Chinese market, but there are plans to expand to international markets in the future. In conclusion, the Xiaomi SU7 marks a significant entry into the electric vehicle market for the tech giant. With its modern design, advanced technology integration, and impressive performance, it presents a compelling option for EV enthusiasts. While there are some limitations, such as the infotainment system's language support, the overall package is impressive for a first-generation vehicle. It will be interesting to see how Xiaomi continues to develop and expand its automotive offerings in the coming years.